Hi, this is Todd Runstead, Editor-in-Chief of Functional Ingredients and Ingredia. We are here today at the Ingredia trade show, part of Natural Products Expo West. We have a fascinating panel right here to really dig into the value chain that is represented. Everything is under one roof here in Anaheim right now. Mike Bush is representing a Ganeden BC30. It is a particular kind of probiotic strain suitable for foods and beverages. And so now, look at these interesting products here. We have foods, we have beverages. Ladies, who wants to jump in? How did you find Mike Bush? How did you find Ganeden? And why did you choose Ganeden's probiotic strain versus in the world there's plenty of probiotic strains out there?
Well, for us it was an interesting formula because ours has to be able to go through boiling water. So it had to be shelf stable, go through boiling water, and then also just really not activate until it gets into the stomach. And Ganeden was the company that had that solution. We worked with them for years, and we were able to come up with this fantastic tasting product that within 2 cups of this tea, it actually starts to activate. It really starts to do what it needs to do.
Well, we have a first-to-market fruit and vegetable popsicle, and there's really nothing like it. It's very unique. We have spinach and lime and kiwi and all sorts of great stuff, and sweet potatoes. And what we wanted to do was make it even more unique, and we had heard about Ganeden. We had heard about other probiotic companies, but when we looked at Ganeden probiotics, they just seemed to be the best. The BC30 survives the upper and lower gut, and for kids, it's really amazing. And we wanted to make this even better, and so we added Ganeden probiotics.
And I think it's really interesting because you don't need boiling water for that. And
no.
You don't need a freezer for that. And so really the Ganeden product, it really kind of spans all.
We were worried it would not survive freezing, and we found out pretty soon that it survived freezing.
Yeah.
It was great.
Pam, tell us a story about the cookie department.
So we wanted to come out with a gluten-free probiotic cookie, and it's interesting that you say yours is boiling and yours is freezer. Ours has to be baked. And so I think that's why it was a natural choice to use Ganeden BC30, because it could withstand the temperature and the manufacturing of our cookie. It's a double chocolate probiotic cookie. And how I came across Ganeden is from my boyfriend. He is a consultant that makes functional products and is in the nutraceutical business. And he told me about Ganeden. And so we said, great, we've been thinking about using a probiotic, and now we found the one that would be the best.
Well, we like to say at Functional Ingredients Magazine that the foundation of innovation is functional ingredients. How have sales fared with this probiotic, with this functional ingredient in your tea versus another tea that you might have had? Has that made a difference?
I have to say that this particular product, our lemon ginger with a probiotic, I like to call it like a runaway horse. I think what was nice about working with Ganeden, A, is effective. We constantly test it to ensure that it is effective through the boiling water, but also does not influence the taste. So we were able to put together a very beautiful lemon ginger also being from a digestive standpoint what people like to consume. And this is a product that literally we can't keep on the shelf. True story.
So the product is tasteless, and Mike, you're tasteless as well.
We'd like to say it's tasteful.
Oh, it's tasteful. That's right. Right. So, Mike, you've got to be very proud that the BC30 has found success in supplements, but also to me, its real niche is in foods, and so you've got this real great range of foods here, and it's successful all the way around.
Yeah, we're real proud of the products that we're in. It's great. It's a great range. Tea, the popsicles, the cookies. And it's nice because the goal of Ganeden and the goal of all of our customers is to make sure that consumers have an efficacious dose of probiotic Ganeden BC30 when they consume it. So whether it's after baking, at the end of its shelf life, after brewing with tea, after freezing. So we consider it a real testament to the organism and its ability to survive those things, but also it survives and flourishes in the gut. So it's a great ingredient, and we have great partners. We absolutely love our partners.
That's great. So, the marketing department wants us to know that we are in Anaheim, and really the entire value chain is under one roof here. How nice is it to have your supply partner here under one roof? I mean, does that make a difference versus other places?
I think it's important. I think everyone that comes here, whether you are a manufacturer or supplier of ingredients, we all have the same mentality, and that is doing the right thing and making good food and giving things to people that are going to make a difference, children, adults, whatever the age. And so it's great. You come here, and that's the mentality that you're dealing with.
Our company's a very innovative company, and my partner, Akiva Resnikoff, he is really behind finding what's the most cutting edge ingredients, what's the best products to use in our functional cookies. And it's wonderful that Expo West here, that they can offer we can go and take a look at all the trending new ingredients and then be able to incorporate that in our manufactured product.
Yeah, because your cookies, you don't just have BC30 in it. You have a broad line of kind of functional cookies and
maca root as well, and we have caffeine and maca root and antioxidants. So yeah, it's a great venue for us.
That's great. Well, that's all we have time for right now, but it all happens in Anaheim. We're all here right now, and you could just feel the innovation happening right here on the show floor. Thanks, and we'll see you again next time.